We held our inaugural Antique Craftsman Showcase Saturday, November 2nd at our workshop here in Raleigh, North Carolina. The event celebrated craftspeople who preserve North Carolina, U.S., and world history and showcased authentic craftsmanship of a bygone era. The showcase featured preservation experts in custom woodworking, wood repair and refinishing, art, paintings and sculptures, upholstery and textiles, seat weaving, leather, fine metals, antique appliances, metal signs, antique firearms, pianos, books, and radios. Over 200 attendees had the exclusive opportunity to engage directly with the artisans, gaining an insider's perspective on their meticulous techniques and witnessing preservation in action. Some notable pieces on display were a late 18th century Federal-style hutch with flame mahogany veneer, an 18th century French country walnut bed with a meticulously hand-carved coat of arms and honeycomb posts, and a mid-century mechanical horse that our master artisans hand-painted. Also of significant interest were iconic pre-restoration pieces damaged by Hurricane Helene's path through western North Carolina. Also in attendance was Mary Frances Wilson, Donor Engagement Manager of Preservation NC, in support of preserving North Carolina history, traditional craftsmanship, and historic trades. Bernard Mumford, owner and founder, had this to say about the showcase. At Mumford Restoration, our heartfelt commitment to preserving historical treasures, beloved artifacts, and precious family memories is the very soul of our mission. We were thrilled to showcase the extraordinary skills of our remarkable artisans, whose unmatched expertise breathes new life into history, ensuring its vibrant legacy endures for generations to come. With the same passion, we launched the Mumford Restoration Apprenticeship Program to nurture the spirit of traditional craftsmanship, allowing the timeless artistry and techniques of the past to thrive alongside the history we cherish and restore. As we reflect on the incredible turnout and enthusiasm for this year's Antique Craftsman Showcase, we're already planning for next year. If you missed this one or want to come back for another opportunity to engage with North Carolina's finest artisans, keep an eye out for our announcement on the next event. We can't wait to share more rare artifacts, master techniques, and stories of preservation in action with you. Stay tuned and join us as we continue celebrating the art of restoration and the legacy it leaves behind.